Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. App updated, account logged in, and you have Dragonstones plus friend points. First, open events and locate a metal fruit or metal cooler stage. These appear in limited time raids or story events. Once found, enter with a team optimized for clear speed and drop rate boosts. Make sure to enable item drop boosters from missions or login campaigns because increasing drop chance directly raises your metal fruit yield. Next, focus on execution. Choose stages known for best metal fruit spawn and replay them repeatedly. Farming frequency beats rare farm. Use leaders and support friends with drop rate boosts or event-specific bonuses. These stack. Once in battle, aim for quick clears while preserving characters to speed runs, since more runs equals more chances. If a co-op or multiplayer option exists, coordinate with teammates to avoid wasting stamina, and to secure shared. Finally, collect metal fruits immediately from the results and present box. Inventory caps can prevent pickups. Once accumulated, spend them on exchanges, awakening, or units that require metals. Prioritize urgent upgrades. If you stop seeing drops, try simple fixes. Switch to a different stamina-consuming stage, clear the app cache, log out and back in, or verify the event is still active. This often resolves sync issues and restores expected drop behavior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.